Right guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys a few trades I done on 7 December. It's quite a big profit for me. Right, and so now let's get into the AU, the first trade. Right, so on the AU, let's see more drawings. 4 hour. Right, so this is my AUD USD trade. I saw this block, rejection block, then go down to the hourly. This is a hourly order block. So I was waiting for price to come back to this area. Then I do a short. Okay, so price did came to this area. I got a short open. Stop loss will be here. My target profit will be here. Because now is currently in a downtrend. We don't know when the trend will be turning on us and become a bullish trend. So at here, I open up a trade. Then when I see the market have some reactions here, or it's just the next minute, I immediately close my trades on here, because due to dollar, we don't have a confluence in the dollar, so I close my trade while losing $85, $86. I immediately close my trade when I see dollar is not pairing up with the Aussie dollar, right? So let's get into the next trade. Next trade we have a GBP USD buy, 5 lots, right? So let's go to the GU. Right, so my buying price was at 1.25563, right? So let's go down to the 4-hour charts. 1.244563, 1.25563, sorry, 1.25563. Okay, here, this is my entry point. So let's figure out why I entry here. So at here we can see a price touches this block, right? After touching this block, go down to the hourly. On the hourly, we have nothing, but we have a small little fair value gaps on here, right? Did you see that? A small one. Price did touches it, so I must follow my rules. Then I scroll down to the 15-minute charts and wait for a breaker. Right, so at here you can see there's a breaker here, right? I got in late because the price already spiked up, then spike now. I entered immediately on here. My stop loss will be around here. My target was 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and yet I got this profit, right, on the GU. So that's it, guys. Now let's go to the next trade on the EU. On the EU, I also doing a buy on 1.07649. Okay, let's find out why I buy here. Right, you can see there's a structure here has been broken, right? After broken, I did not enter immediately because I was waiting for DXY to give me the same confirmations, right? So after I see the price spike down, then goes up again, close back above this breaker. I entered immediately here, but I was risking only 250. So my targets was 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. But on this particular area, I already closed out my trades, right? Because I don't want to get greedy, because I know there's a setup coming soon, all right? So I got 1.5 risk to reward ratio at here. Okay, so let's get back to the GU again, 1121. So in the GU, I just opened up a trade at here, right? But after getting my TP, I saw that this area was another entry point for me, because there's a fair value gaps here. I entered immediately on here. My stop loss will be at here, just for safety. Then I will aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right? So price did not come to this area first, but I got scared I put my stop loss below here and I got stopped out, right? I got stopped out, but when I realized there's something below here, a fair value gaps and an order block, right? I immediately entered, make another entry on here. My stop loss would be at here. I was targeting around 1.3 risk to reward ratio, but I got 1.4 risk to reward ratio instead. Because this trade, I was risking around 250, but I got 1,000 profits on here. Okay, but this one is already a loss trade for me because the price did stop me out because my stop loss was at here, right? So let's get to the Euro USD buy on the 1.07711. Right, let's go to the EU. Where's the area? 1.07711. 1.00711. Right, so my entry point was here. 1.00711. Okay, my entry point was here. The reason for me to entry here is actually simple, because there's a order block here, a rejection block, right? But I already know my bias today was bullish, so I was aiming for longs to take my order. All right, so this order is quite beautiful because I do an entry on here, and I do another entry on 1.07597. 7597, sorry, Euro USD 1.07597, 07597, here, right? So when the price came to this particular area, I also open up a trades on here. So totally I open up 2 trades in the EU for scaling up bigger profits. So this area of trades did not stop me out, but this one I open up here, price did come retrace back here, stop me out because my stop loss was very tight at the moment. I put my stop loss below here, I got stop out, but I'm not going, sorry, this trade I'm not stopping me out because I got BE. I set my stop loss at here. I got stopped out, break even, and I got another trade going here. So I can earn 600 on here, 1.3 risk to reward ratio. I close out. Then there's another one on the EU that's doing the same scaling on this particular movement. I got profit around 1.5 R in the EU, right? So that's it, guys. I'm going to pass the prop firm soon. Just another 500 wins, so I won't be risking big. I will be only risking 300 per setups until I pass the prop firm, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I see you on the next video.